It's an honor to have you here. I mean, I think you can have it in hand.
This is also your principal secretary came.
Okay, sir.
He gave it to me.
Again, sir. Welcome to the show. Sir, our Honorable Home Minister.
Welcome, sir.
What is the name?
Nathan Rumbui.
Mr. Rumbui.
Thank you, sir.
Chief Secretary.